In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in with a one-time password on Expedia. This method is especially helpful if you've forgotten your password, you're on a new device, or you just prefer a quick, secure code instead of typing a full password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to troubleshoot common issues so you can get into your account without any stress. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Expedia. You can use any search engine you like. When the results appear, look for the official site. The safest way to confirm you're in the right place is to choose the result that clearly shows the Expedia.com address. Avoid lookalike links or unusual domains, and if you're on mobile, you can also open the Expedia app. The process is nearly the same. Once you're on the Expedia homepage, head to the Sign In option. It's typically located at the top right of the page. Click it to open the Sign In panel. You'll be asked for your email first. Type the email address that's associated with your Expedia account, then select Continue. This tells Expedia where to send your sign-in options. If you can't or don't want to use your regular password, look for an option that says something like Use a one-time password. On some versions, it may say, Get a code or one-time passcode. Choose that option to proceed with a password-free login. Expedia will send a one-time passcode to your registered email address, or, if you've set it up, to your mobile number via text. The code usually arrives within a minute. Keep an eye on your inbox and your text messages, and remember that these codes expire for security reasons. Never share the code with anyone. Expedia will only ask you to enter it on their site or app. Go back to the Expedia sign-in screen and type the code exactly as you received it, paying attention to any hyphens or spacing shown in the field. After entering the code, submit it to complete your login. If everything matches and the code is still valid, you'll be signed in. If the code doesn't show up, wait a moment, then check your spam or junk folder. Make sure your email address or phone number is correct on the screen, and request a new code if needed. On mobile, confirm you have a stable signal. If a code fails, try again with the newest message, as only the latest code will work. That's it. You've signed in to Expedia using a one-time password, quick, secure, and no need to remember anything.